In this video, we are going to learn how to invite a person in your personal document or official document where you want to invite your colleague or someone. So to do that, well, all you have to do, maybe I'm going to just click on this doc, and a doc will appear here, and I'm going to use a template here. Maybe, hmm, let's see, let's browse some of the template here and drag one. Maybe this one I will just click on this one. We have a template, and as you can see, a bunch of pages in here, and there are a lot of things. Maybe you want to invite someone who can review this or do some adjustment, and maybe you can work alone. So to do that, all you have to do, just after your name or profile, click on the plus icon, and in the plus icon you can add them via email or group or names. Write a email address for your invited person. Maybe my person will be like Brandon @ outlook.com. As you can see, when I have put it an email, uh, I can give a message to him, and click the share button, and that's how you can invite any person in your document to help your work. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.